Now, welcome to the section 3 of this LLC masterclass. Before going forward in this section 3, I want to share with a formula how you can reach to the level of labor law compliance specialist and manage this portfolio of labor law compliance. For that, we have launched one labor law compliance specialist program that will be totally online with the objective. This program will be totally a 30 days as labor law compliance specialist program, and this program is designed with the objective to make you vigilant, foresighted, build that credibility, accountable for your organization related to the labor law compliances that will enhance your career as labor law compliance specialist. This program will have weekend classes and live session. In this program, we will cover total 30 live sessions. Those sessions will be based on practical learnings. After that, you will get access to the recording videos for lifetime. If you missed something, you can recheck these lessons and recall your knowledge. When this program will be completed within 15 weeks, after that, we are providing you with the 2 interactive live session with the instructor of this training for compilation and updation of the insights and learning of use within this program. You will also get the custody of the live templates we will prepare during the learning of the each program or session, and then you will also get the completion certificate after completion this 30 days mastery labor law compliance online program. So this labor law mastery online program curriculum will be forwarding like this. Here will be the weekly sessions, and every day means every week there will be 2 sessions every Saturday and Sunday. In that session mean one day we will cover only one act or one law related to the labor law compliances, so that give you the practical insights and practical hands-on practice during these sessions, so that your learning should be as real as practical you are doing activity in your organization. So there will be 2 hours intensive practical learning. These sessions will be late in the evening 9 to 11, probably considering that most of the people have free from their all stuff and they can focus in this program and learn best from this. After 2 hours of intensive learning, there will be 30 minutes of question and answer session to resolve the queries of participants related to the session. What are the questions and what are the queries you will have? You can ask that in that dedicated 30 minutes of Q&A session. The flow of this level of compliance master program will be like as there will be a 30-minute overview of each act Before starting off this program, the intensive learning of 2 hours, 30-minute overview specifically dedicated what are the requirements and what is this law, what is required and what the obligations are coming to an employee, what you have to fulfill or maintain under the particular labor law or act, and all these activity will be based on our 3-layer labor law compliance structure, as we have discussed during this whole masterclass. Then we will basically focus on the approval records and submission, then displays also how to collect the data, how to prepare that data, what will be the linkage of all types of data, and how you have to connect that data finally to reach a complete level of labor law compliance in your organization. Then there will be dedicated templates for each activities, and those templates which you will create or we will create during the entire program, that will be provided to you in your personal custody too. And these live sessions will be going live from 14 August 2021 Saturday 9 p.m. And now there you would have the question that what we are covering in this and what are the applicable labor laws we will cover in this specialist master program. So here we will cover the 30 plus existing labor laws, means existing acts and their obligation for the employer, and what are the fulfillment required under these labor law. We will discuss that or practice that in detail. After that, the 4 new labor codes we will also discuss in detail what are the requirements and how you have to fulfill the obligations under these 4 labor laws in your organization. Now, I am sharing with you the whole curriculum of this program, what are the different labor laws we are covering in this program. So, this is the whole course curriculum which you are going to learn during this 15 weeks of intensive labor law compliance specialist program. This program will be based on the formulation of WHTS. What is this WHTS? We will focus on all the 4 requirements under each and every labor law, that are the approvals, record, submissions and display. So the formulation, the foundation, how we works practically to implement structure and the process of the labor law compliances for the particular labor law, that the what needs and requirements are need to fulfill under that particular labor law, and then how to collect and prepare the data according to the requirements under which section, which particular part. There are some forms available, how to prepare those forms, then design templates specifically for the formats, and then the cover letters, then where and how you have to submit, what are the better processes, what are the legal required processes, so that there could not be or should not be any obligation to any employer. Those formats and cover letter we will also design during this program. So here I'm sharing with you what types of labor laws we are covering in this program. All the laws related to the working hours, conditions of service and employment, we will cover that in segmentation first. In the second segmentation, we will cover all the laws related to wages. In third segmentation, we are going to cover all the laws, existing labor laws relating to the industrial relation as of now, and then the labor law relating to the equality and empowerment of women we will cover in the segment number 4, means segment D. Law related to the social security we will cover under the segment E, and probably all that social security labor related law, existing labor laws we will cover in this segment. And then for the segment F, we are going to cover the prohibited labor laws which are required to some prohibition obligation for the employer. Then related to the employment and training we will cover in the segment G, and in the segment H we are going to covering the laws relating to companies, I relating to the environment and disaster. Then the J will covering the J segmentation will specifically for the provisions and application under the new labor codes. So in this program, totally extensively there will be 75 hours of intensive learning where we will cover 33 labor laws, additionally 4 new labor code. Total 37 labor laws we are going to cover under this program. So this is all about the curriculum we are covering under this session or under this 30-day Mastery Labor Law Compliance Specialist program. And after that it come to the next segmentation, the pricing. You normally go to a university or a degree university to pursue an MBA degree, they will charge you more than 2 and 3 lakh rupees for that whole 2-year program, or otherwise the distance learning program also charging now 2 lakhs rupees, and they only provide you the general education related to the processes, but practically what you have to do when you go into the profession or professional career, that the learning of general education works only 10 to 20%, and the rest 80% you have to learn that in your professional life. But this program is specifically designed on the practical learning so that we can charge at least 150 lakh for this. But as we have committed that our mission is to provide the best of the knowledge for the least of pricing, so that's why we are keeping a specific pricing for you in this program, and that will be 6961999. But we are not offering this to here, because in the live session or live program you have already joined this masterclass and pay something, so you deserve our commitment and something extra. So that's why we have a special offer for you today. The offer price also not 1199. This price we are offering for the different platforms like Udemy and Skillshare. And in the future we will go for some free webinars, and you will, if you go through that, come through that webinars, the prices you have to pay 799. But right now you have already paid and you is in masterclass today, so you have to pay just Rs 299 rupees to enter in this program. This program probably or prospectively designed for developing your career perspective to enhance your career as a specialist in the labor law compliances, that practical knowledge, practical tools and practices nowhere you can find. If you paid 1,50,000 rupees for such programs, you will not find that. But we are committed and we have a mission to provide a best of the knowledge to our associate, to our partners, to our students based on a reasonable prices. So that's why we are offering this 299 price to you today. So now the members who are willing to go forward in this program, they can choose the payout option these, and you can pay these enrollment fee through three options. The Paytm option you can scan right away here, and for Google Pay you just use this number. And there is our digital secure partner PayU, so link is mentioning here, and you can click this link or this link live I'm sharing with you on the chat box. Pick up this link from there and pay it right now. So this program is specifically designed for getting you your advancements in the labor law compliances and building you as a specialist in this program. That's why you need to definitely choose this program. Go through the link below, check out it right now and get enrolled. Before that, we revise the prices, because if you get through this program right away in this live session, you will get this price of 299